What's going on YouTube? Crypto for Change here. My name is David, and man, have we had a wild weekend. Obviously, prices were starting to look up. Got a huge crash this morning. I actually sold off a large position of one of my top 5 holdings on Friday. So make sure you stay tuned, watch the whole video so you can see which one I sold and maybe give a little bit of insight as to why I sold it and where I might be moving that money. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and put your comment in below on what you think maybe I should be buying next. Let's get it. So we're back over here on CoinMarketCap.com taking a look at the top 5. So going to do it in reverse order this time. So we're going to start out with what number 5 is for this new updated holdings video. So let's get into it. Starting the top 5, we still have the graph sitting right there. So didn't sell any of it yet. I've actually just been kind of sitting and watching it. Obviously, if you come down here, you can kind of look at the 7-day. Obviously everything's pretty much fell off as of Monday, the 20th. So most stuff's going to see a little drop here. But if we still zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. We come back. Still has been on a pretty good tear. Through the last 3 months, year to date. It's actually come down a little bit, so we're still just kind of sitting in that consolidation zone. I'm hoping to see another leg up, maybe even touch some new all-time highs. But right now the graph's still sitting right there at number 5. Number 4, we got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin slid down a little bit because of what I sold, but also because I totally forgot one that I actually held, one of the cryptos I held on another platform. So that one actually is actually in the top 5. I didn't talk about it last time, but because of that, it's going to be in the new video. So Bitcoin's sitting right now at 4. And obviously, like I said, if we scroll down here, you can look at the last 7 days. It's going to look just like the graph, as far as, the last 24 hours, what's happened. We go to 3 months. Still moving up. We look at the year to date. Oops, year to date here. And then we're going to get, let's see, if it'll let me scroll down. There we go. Kind of came up, hit new all-time highs, went down. Now we're, back on that second bull run of this, this cycle, seeing if we're going to continue to go up or we're going to stall out. We have to wait and see. Coming in at number 3, which is one of the new ones, like I said, that I literally forgot I even had any just because the platform it's held on, but it's actually Dogecoin. I bought actually a considerable amount of Dogecoin. Everybody can laugh at my expense here back in December of last year, and like a paper-handed new crypto holder, I sold it and took about $100 profit when obviously it went to run on to crazy highs. I didn't see that coming. It was pretty new to everything. So yeah, missed out on that, but I did buy back in. And right now those Dogecoins are just sitting over on Robinhood, waiting for them to open up their wallet. Come on, Robinhood, open it up. But right now they're stuck there, but it is at the number 3 position. And obviously, moving into the number 2 position today is Yieldly. So Yieldly was a few back. I did move some funds around once I made that sell to capitalize on Yieldly. Yieldly's price action being down a little bit. If we come down here and we look at it, the last 7 days, it's kind of been dipping. It's just been kind of floating around right in between a penny and 2 pennies. So obviously pretty small cap crypto here, but I still see massive potential for this one in the DeFi space built on Goren. And Goren, you already know, I feel like it's going to be a big beast in the future. So coming in at that number 1 spot, drum roll, it's Goren. I don't even know why I did a drum roll. I mean, come on now. Goren sitting in at number 1. I love Goren. I love its future in the DeFi space. Everything it's doing on layer 1 technology is what most of these other blockchains are hoping to accomplish with layer 2. So it just it's a sleeping giant. Once people wake up to that and they see its true potential, I think you're really going to see that price action, and market cap start to reflect really what Goren is in the crypto space. So coming down here, obviously huge buying opportunity right now. The last day it's dropped. The last 7 days it's fell back down to almost, I think it hit $1.50 almost. Yeah, $1.59. And then if we look at the 3 months, we're still, we kind of came up, hit those all-time highs for this run, but we've kind of cooled off a little bit. Great buying opportunities there. I'll be buying at least. And if we look at the year to date, obviously we're still green. We've been just slowly and steadily moving up. I like this one for the long term. I'm not trading it. I'm just buying, accumulating, holding. Governance is going to start soon. I'm going to get a video out here in the near future about governance and just what that entails, how to be a part of it, and how to earn those rewards and maximize earning those rewards in the governance with Algorand. And so obviously, what does that mean? I sold 90% of Ethereum. I know everybody in the comments is probably going to flood and just, call me crazy, call me this. But when you're doing the research and just studying what Algorand is accomplishing, what it's doing, I just feel it's sometime in the future, Algorand is going to be a big contender. It's going to get up in the top 5 market cap. People are going to see the technology it has, some of the issues, that Ethereum struggles with when it comes to forking, high gas fees, slow transaction times. Algorand's already solved that on layer 1. So, there's a lot of potential there. So I did sell 90% of my Ethereum. So I may add a little bit, with dips and take control of some small swing trades here and there in Ethereum. But obviously I have a decent chunk of money that I'm going to be putting into the market in this coming week. So be sure to let me know in the comments down below what you think I should be buying. Obviously, I'll be putting out more videos throughout the week letting you know when I'm buying and what I'm buying. And, I'm excited for the rest of this year to see really where we're going to end up. So like I said earlier, be sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, make sure you're following along. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss one single future video. And hey, let's get out there and make some money.